Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has classified SoFi as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.64. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have realized an impressive gain of 35.02% since we first identified SoFi as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.3% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction toward the lower portion of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $10.24 would indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of 25.44% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 0.741% and 30.21%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of negative 4.57% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 40.46% and negative 1.62%. This equates to a price range between $5.88 and $9.71 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi highlights that the stock has been upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate following the trading session on Thursday. The SoFi stock price experienced a decline of 1.69% on the last trading day, falling from $10.04 to $9.87. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 4.26%, with a low of $9.62 and a high of $10.03. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 26.05% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume rose by 2 million shares on the last day, despite the drop in prices. This may signify an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 50 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $492,630,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $10.49, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 5.91%, or 62 cents, below the 52-week high, and 65.07%, or $18.39, below the all-time high recorded on the 1st of February in the year 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies Inc., recognized by its ticker SOFI, recently closed at $9.87, reflecting a decline of 1.69% from the previous trading session. Despite this dip, the company has been in the spotlight due to significant developments over the past few days. Investors have reacted positively to a $2 billion financing deal with Fortress Investment Group, which is expected to facilitate faster growth for SoFi by enabling it to offload loan debt and strengthen its capital base. Earlier this week, SoFi's shares soared 11.4%, reaching $10.04, the highest price since the start of the year. This surge can be attributed to positive earnings estimate revisions indicating potential further strength ahead. The recent partnership has also bolstered investor confidence in SOFI's underwriting model, particularly vital in a climate where lending concerns are prevalent. Short-term fluctuations in SOFI stock are likely as investors digest these events and adjust their valuations. However, in the longer term, the $2 billion deal could significantly enhance SOFI's growth trajectory, making it a more attractive investment as it positions itself for expansion in the competitive financial services sector. Ultimately, while recent trading sessions reflect volatility, the underlying fundamentals suggest a potentially upward trend for SOFI if growth strategies are successfully executed. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods assigned SOFI a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Goldman Sachs issued a neutral rating for SOFI, also recommending a hold. On the same day, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods gave SOFI an underperform rating alongside a hold recommendation. Additionally, on that Wednesday, Needham rated SOFI with a market perform and suggested a hold. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 9th of July, 2024, Barclays rated SOFI as equal weight with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SOFI stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also issued a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. The SOFI stock currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at $9.48 and $8.12. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, October 15, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 3.05%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, trading volume increased on falling prices yesterday, serving as an early warning that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 36 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.54 and $7.53. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, SOFI finds support just below today's level at $7.54. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.53 and $7.42. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 410 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 4.26%. Over the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 5.11%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $10.04. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, SoFi faces its first support level at $7.54. If this support level holds, it might present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of September, 2024, Eric Schopenhauer executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Eric Schopenhauer also made an insider purchase of 891,694 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 23rd of September, 2024, Kelly Keough conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Jeremy Rischel executed an insider sale of 68,081 shares of common stock. On the 16th of September, 2024, Derek J. White sold 148,403 shares of restricted stock unit. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 49.8. In total, insiders purchased 8,725,446 shares and sold 27,713,307 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.52, reflecting a decrease of 3.54%. This stock exhibits significant daily price fluctuations, contributing to a heightened level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, which further amplifies the risk involved. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for SoFi stock to perform well in the near future. Accordingly, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate stance to a buy recommendation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the latest trading session, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 18th of October, we anticipate that SoFi will open lower, approximately 3 cents down, starting at $9.84. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.